How to save Canva as PDF on phone. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now this works for both iOS devices and Android devices. You can just go ahead and open up your Canva, and once inside, you want to open up the design that you want to turn into a PDF file. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this one right here. Once inside, wait for the design to load in, and right after, you can just go ahead and click on this button, which is the export button, and this menu will show up. From here, we then have the ability to select our file type. You can just go ahead and click on it. Inside, we have file types like JPG, PNG, PDF standard, and we have the PDF print. You can just go ahead and choose between these two. I'll go ahead and select the PDF standard. And from here, you can just go ahead and click on download. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.